Got a, I believe it's a 2011 Toyota minivan with all kinds of check engine lights for mass airflow sensor, O2 sensor, PO300, random misfire, and a customer brought it to me, wanted to replace the O2 sensor. I advised them that's probably not the problem. So after a little bit of diagnosis, found the problem fairly quickly. Not connected. So there's the mass airflow sensor right there. That's why it's getting that air, because it's sucking air in after the mass airflow sensor, and it's obviously throwing out all the fuel trims. The fuel trim was at plus 35. I knew there was some kind of massive vacuum leak.